Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your work to the Lyft app. I'm going to show you how to add your work address to the Lyft app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add your work address to the Lyft app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Lyft app. Next, click on You, then scroll down, then click on Settings. Afterwards, click on Work, and then this is where you can enter your work address. So enter your work address here, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your work address on the Lyft app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.